Hello, everyone. My name is Nessa Bolito Schwartz, and I am a children's book author. I wasn't always a children's book author. I was a struggling writer trying to query my manuscripts to agents and editors and small press publishers for years. I even was querying when we had to send our manuscripts out with a self-addressed stamped envelope so that the publisher can send back a reply in the envelope. That's how long I have been trying to query and submit my stories. So I would love to share this journey with you. What you're looking at here is a walk down the streets of Philadelphia, because in 2025, in this year, the American Library Association was hosted by the city of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania. And I was invited to go by my publisher to sign books and to promote the next book, which was book 3 in the series. So I have a chapter book series, and book 4 will be out soon too. I started with a 4-book contract, and all of this, even those have been struggling and trying to be published for years, I know that all of you can understand what a huge accomplishment and feeling it is. It's overwhelming to finally get to the point where you are an actual published author with a traditional publisher, if that's what you want to do, or even self-publishing, or whatever your goal is. Once you get there, it's a whole different ball game. The time when you're querying and writing at your own pace and revising and working with critique groups, those things are all important steps towards getting to the point where you do finally get that offer to acquire your manuscript or manuscripts, or to write on spec. It is a journey to start at this point, and I'd love to share it with all of you. And that's what I'm hoping to do on this YouTube channel. I want to share with all of you how I got here and what it's like to become a published author and what is expected of you after that happens, because it's a lot. So as you can see, and I'm walking in Philadelphia and I'm being a little jerky, so while I'm walking, I apologize for that. But anyway, I was in ALA and it was amazing and I loved it, and the city was beautiful and friendly and kind, and I was so glad I went. So let's start here. This is my journey and I want to share it with all of you. Thank you. Bye.